Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I'm Shekhar Gupta on a typical Davos morning in January. And my guest today, well, the mega Mughal, the Mughal of Mughals in the world of advertising and media, Martin Sorrell.
You should be an advertising Shekhar because you're the master of hyperbole.
I never made the right decision in my life, Sir Martin Sorrell, but that competition would be people like you. I'm very happy competing with fellow journalists.
I don't like this humility. Doesn't suit you.
Doesn't suit me. I need to learn from you because you are the master of brand building. So maybe I got to work on my brand to begin with.
Well, we'll see. We'll see what we can do.
Tell me something. You've been saying these are not better times. These are less worse times.
Less worse. That's right. That's right. Well, that doesn't apply to India because India, I think our people in India and people generally thought that nothing could happen to disturb the growth pattern in India. This would be about, I would say, about a year and a half, 2 years ago.
Right.
And I think our people, I mean, around the world last year, we were budgeting -2 in terms of a reduction in revenue, and we've come out certainly for the first 9 months at -8. And why was that? Well, I think basically we were over-optimistic generally, but I think in India, to be fair, and indeed in China, people were over-optimistic given what had been happening, and they thought it could never end. And of course, it didn't end, it slowed up. And,
right.
You know, to be frank, in the UK, we give our right arm and probably our right leg for the opportunity for flat. You know, flat is the new up. In fact,
right.
I think Carol Bartz at Yahoo said -13 is the new up at Yahoo. So life has changed, but I don't think in India we acknowledge that. We do acknowledge it now, but having said that, I would say India is in strong shape as far as WPP is concerned and as far as the industry is concerned. I mean, it is definitely much stronger than it was even a few months ago. So we feel pretty good about our operations there. We have very strong brands, whether it be Ogilvy or JWT or Y&R or Grey or Group M.
You own every acronym that's worth owning in the world of advertising
we own,
and marketing.
It's not just acronyms. And we want to have strong Ogilvy.
Absolutely, yes. You talk about advertising, markets, etc., etc. And I read that you started out making shopping baskets.
Shopping baskets.
Yes,
not trolleys. Some people said trolleys. We weren't clever enough to fit the trolleys one above the other to make a basket.
Yeah. But and you made your fame in advertising, but really you are the master of brand building. You're master of brands.
I wouldn't call myself a master of brands. I try and bring together the strongest brands in our business, right. Because when we started in '85 we were a wire basket manufacturer, pots and pans as well, we still have them, and then in '87 we acquired JWT, J. Walter Thompson.
But how important are the brands? Given technology today, anybody can replicate a Google, but they don't have the brand name.
No, I think brands are extremely important in an era where we have globalization, where we have a shift in power from the west to the east and the south.
Right.
When we have overcapacity in
East
many
is the new West.
Yes,
I mean,
that's right.
If it
well, it was.
With the trend.
Go back 200 years ago,
right.
It was before. Where we've got overcapacity, shortage of human capital, retail concentration, the web and technological change.
Tubar.com